Finally, I got both EG4 12000 XP up and running. They are working together to power the house. All dip switch and both inverter are up. I used two communication cable between the inverter to put them into parallel. Both inverters come with all the dip switch down. I use a small screwdriver to push all of them up. In this video, I will move the solar array on the front porch to the second inverter, but I have to finish installing the PV conduit before I can do that. It's currently 9:07 p.m. The front porch array is showing 0 volt and the solar shed array is showing 43 volt. Although it's nighttime, I turn off the front deck array via the outside DC disconnect just for good habit. Then remove the PV wire from the first inverter and pull them out of the conduit. I pulled the PV wire out of the conduit because I will be doing some more pipe bending. I do not want to damage the wire while I'm heating this pipe. The goal is to bend this pipe to make it go to the LR conduit body. This is a 3/4 inch PVC conduit. It should be a lot easier to bend compared to the one that I use for the AC wires. After heating the PVC conduit, I bend it into shape. Then I use a wet rag to cool it down so it could hold the shape forever. In this case, I was not satisfied on how the 90-degree was holding its shape. I kept molding it until it cooled down. Now I am heating this part of the conduit that will allow me to bend it so that the bottom part of the conduit can sit flat on the cement board. I follow by using a wet piece of rag to cool the conduit to make it hold the shape permanently. This is how the PV conduit looked like after I was able to bend it into shape. Now let's connect it to the LR conduit body. First, I have to mark the overage that have to cut off, followed by removing the extra piece of conduit. Now connecting the LR conduit body. I did not glue this PVC conduit yet. I'm using the clamp to attach it to the wall, also to keep it together. Using just one clamp feels pretty sturdy. I was able to use a heat gun to shape this PV conduit into the exact shape that I need. I think it came out pretty good. Now I am getting ready to pull the PV wire coming from the front porch. For now, I will be connecting the front porch solar array. Soon, I will be installing 12 more solar panels on the back deck. Those 12 solar panels will be connected to this inverter right here. After passing the wire through the conduit, I cut the excess, then strip the end so I can install a ferrule. During the summer, we make more energy than we need, but installing those extra solar panels will come handy during the winter time, also for increased energy use in the future. I follow by connecting the PV wire to the inverter, positive to positive, negative to negative. When I fasten down those wires, I like moving them around a little bit, then tighten down some more and repeat this process a couple times. Once that was done, I give them a tug test to make sure they will not come out. Then I turn on the outside DC disconnect, followed by the inverter DC disconnect. Here's a final look at the PV conduit. Let me know in the comment, have you ever used a heat gun to bend a PVC conduit into the exact shape that you need? Both inverters are now sharing the load to power the house. This inverter is currently providing around 190 watt, and this inverter is currently providing around 117 watt. I hope this video was informative. Hopefully, it was useful to someone out there. If you're in the market for solar equipment, consider using the links and coupon code in the description below. If you like this video, you might also enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.